Kazakhstan and the European Union work together on many issues, and jointly discussing and finding ways to jointly tackle common security challenges is one such area of cooperation, and we look forward to ever closer dialogue.
I'm very glad that the Netherlands could today, together with the EU and Kazakhstan, organize this event on transnational threats we face together, and that we could have a very thorough discussion about how to address them also in the future.
We talked about everything, about how to tackle common challenges such as terrorism, such as organized crime. We also talked about the climate change as a big risk, root cause. We talked about illegal migration. We talked about Afghanistan. We have found out, it was the first meeting, but we found out that we will have to have more of those.